Hi there, this is Tits of Tits Toys and Shenanigans, and I'm just going to do an unboxing of my Blackrock Shooter limited DVD box set, which had the insane Figma. Testing one's love for Figma. It's got a nice sticker on the thing there, yada yada yada. Obviously this is a Bluray. And we're just going to slice off this outer skin to start. This is of course the set of the 8-episode cartoon. This has a little piece of plastic there on the back telling you all the usual shenanigans, format and stuff like that. But that'll probably be there. It's got some nice artwork on it. Macaron Chicky, oh yes, and there she is in there. Isn't that lovely? Limited edition, baby. These things were ridiculously expensive. Oh, that's pretty interesting. I know that this little fist is for strength, so obviously each character has their own thing. Rather nicely. Open this end. Oh, and I didn't even need my knife. It's got the little Tori-chan. So we can get a little bit more room. These little wing flaps don't really seem to do anything. We've got 2 spots in there. One for the Figma. Oh, okay, interesting. This window here is the window for the box, and that's actually a standard Figma box. So I guess if you see this on online somewhere, then it's probably the real thing. And it's sealed with the usual Good Smile Company tape. Obviously a bit of an art book. It's not very big. Gotta admit, I have been lax and I still haven't watched the last 2 episodes of this series. Whoop. Cool. And quite nice kind of box presentation there. So that keeps the DVD or Blu-ray all in spot. And this is the actual Blu-ray, and that's just a cardboard case. And you got your 3 DVD or Blu-rays in there. La Storia. Ah, it's a soundtrack. So this is your soundtrack. And these would be the 2 Blu-rays. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8L95. "46 minutes on each Blu-ray." Would be what, 2 episodes per Blu-ray? Ah, yeah, that'll be alright because there were 8 episodes. Interesting, very interesting. Ah, yeah, 2 episodes. It has an episode list on the inside there. So if I take out said Blu-ray episode there. Excellent. And so there we go. That was just my quick unboxing of my Blu-ray ridiculously overpriced box set. Let's face it, most people would have only bought this for the Figma. because Japanese Blu-rays are ridiculously expensive. There we go.